Welcome to Auto Pulse Media, your ultimate destination for everything automotive, where we bring you the latest, the most luxurious, and the most talked about machines on the road. Today, we are diving into the exquisite craftsmanship and unparalleled innovation of the 2025 Rolls-Royce lineup, a true testament to the art of hand-built luxury and engineering excellence. The 2025 Rolls-Royce continues the brand's legacy of handcrafted perfection, with every model being meticulously assembled by expert artisans. From the seamless body panels to the bespoke interiors, every element is designed with extreme attention to detail. Rolls-Royce maintains its tradition of hand-painting pinstripes, individually assembling each component of the dashboard, and hand-stitching the leather with surgical precision. The 2025 models are more than just cars, they are rolling masterpieces that blend heritage and modernity with unmatched elegance. This year's lineup includes models such as the Phantom, Ghost, and the Cullinan, each offering something unique while staying true to the Rolls-Royce ethos. The exterior designs have been subtly refreshed for 2025 with slightly more aerodynamic lines, new signature grilles, and LED lighting elements that enhance the brand's timeless presence. Each model maintains its commanding road presence and offers customization options that are virtually limitless. Whether it's a custom paint blend inspired by your favorite suit or an interior wood veneer sourced from a single tree, Rolls-Royce ensures your car is as unique as your fingerprint. Under the hood, the 2025 Rolls-Royce vehicles continue to deliver effortless performance. Most models feature a silky smooth V12 engine, engineered to provide quiet yet powerful acceleration. In some configurations, Rolls-Royce has also introduced enhanced hybrid technology to meet the brand's vision of a more sustainable future. Despite the shift towards cleaner technology, there is no compromise in performance. The vehicles maintain their famed magic carpet ride, thanks to updated suspension systems that scan the road ahead and adjust in real time to deliver that legendary smoothness. Inside, the 2025 models take luxury to the next level. The cabins are sanctuaries of silence and comfort. Each seat is a throne, crafted with the finest leather and memory foam cushioning. Rolls-Royce has also integrated next-generation infotainment systems, featuring ultra-high-definition displays, voice-activated controls, and seamless smartphone connectivity. The Starlight Headliner, a signature feature, now includes animated shooting stars and customizable light sequences, offering a celestial ambiance that transforms every journey into an experience. Another standout feature in the 2025 Rolls-Royce lineup is the level of personalization offered. Buyers can work with the brand's bespoke division to tailor every aspect of their vehicle. From monogrammed headrests and embroidered headliners to handcrafted champagne coolers and even bespoke fragrance systems, Rolls-Royce ensures that no two vehicles are ever the same. The craftsmanship is visible in every stitch and every inch of the vehicle, emphasizing the brand's dedication to quality over quantity. Safety and technology have also seen a major leap forward. The 2025 models come equipped with the latest autonomous driving capabilities, intelligent traffic systems, and adaptive cruise control. Night vision, collision avoidance, and driver monitoring systems ensure that while you are cocooned in luxury, you are also protected by cutting-edge technology. The Rolls-Royce experience is not just about comfort and class, but also about delivering peace of mind on every journey. Whether you are drawn to the commanding elegance of the Phantom, the versatile charm of the Ghost, or the rugged luxury of the Cullinan SUV, the 2025 Rolls-Royce lineup offers something that speaks to refined tastes and elevated lifestyles. These are vehicles for those who demand not only transportation but a mobile statement of success, identity, and personal style. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the 2025 Rolls-Royce handcrafted masterpieces. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more exclusive reviews, behind-the-scenes factory insights, and luxury automotive features, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Auto Pulse Media family.